and witness. I told you, anywhere you even attempt progress, someone the booze or derunu. Gina ex-convict, I'm a good user. Maunu from IG. I'm a question him the way the neighbor to go. And the police get really to small. You want to go? Why are you denying the conversation I had with you personally, J-Pipe? Why are you denying it? Why are you putting up a straight face to deny it? So people in Lemage simple. You accepted the challenge. You said, let us when you return. That return, no? Gas is here, you don't owe anybody any clarification. You owe me big time. Until the day I get me kege examine all the time hapugaka. Any door will decide to make ikege examine with the denga hapugaka. Guys, every report is in bully and harassment is it. Kam Swazi and Igbo. Kam Swazi Igbo. Kaina ejisi why your name made the caption. You want to go? Because you on Facebook can bring my videos back. I'm a dogodia JPAC. You want to go? I'm a dogodia who can put your monetization right here because I am the Facebook. Next time, you must leave this fight. Why are you fighting me all tooth and nail if I'm lying? Each and every video mbaka. They play video, old video mbaka. The people just say, OGECHI can face him back. Now, the game each or before you was born, Aaron Wagom shit in a Facebook. You want to go? Before you was born, Aaron Wagom shit. So, if you like, go bring wagara. The same thing lied on. The same thing in wagara name. Before hearing that help, you should give with Otoge Konage. Couples with what JPAC told me. Number one on this particular person favor. You should give Huro to la Konage. Ni keja Huro to la Deroya. Ni keja Huro to the same thing with the same thing now. Now before wagara be nega anything. No ga shigi with up muge kaona. Now ekwela mo okwu ana before man information nke wagara. Ekwela mo okwu ana before somebody man no dey na enwere video dey like that. To tell you that everybody rallied around JPAC. Everybody on JPAC name no akuku JPAC with the same lifestyle they live. So they cannot do anything without asking you for something. Are you not talking? So you guys cannot do anything without asking for anything in return. Okay. You don't need to. Amadio Hamabukwegi. Come on, Shinga for you, son. Come on, Shinka. Zuzupu say so. Effort from here. Chineka Bogoko. Eziokwu kamje destroy unu niile. Eziokwu kamje destroy unu niile. You never see anything. So JPAC, if you know that OGECHI is lying, what I am saying, I'm not to ash. Why are you doing everything for me to close my mouth? Why are you paying wagre 500,000? Why are you paying a Bonilos bleaching son 500,000? Why are you paying Akuni Ukawakonamo ego? Why are you paying Obagale nka mero Luka ostrich? Why are you paying all these hungry bloggers? Why are you paying 0-0000? Why are you paying them to come and defend you? Why are you paying them to come and defend you? JPAC, you made a post. Nage bata Nigerian, I'm gay provide them. I'm going my daughter here, my doctor can be alive ready for you. Do you want me to go to that level? Came up on people be ready for it. Simple. Well, yes. Nikembo hiro to la bulagi, ijiribamo. Nikembo hiro to la bulagi, that all these things, I am the best content creators in the East now. I am the best. Guinea marriage were the best. Those that you did not call the best, you did not use their Ike. Those that you seen that you are better off because they did not use their Ike. KJ mega of carry others. According to you. KJ mega of carry others. The question should be asked peacefully. Guys, if you are joining this page, follow this page. Follow this page if you are joining this page. So in case of anything, I can use any page. You want to go? I am the best. Wagri akeza nkabero look at ostrich ana or gene obagali. Ana oil bagado. I get you carry confused. I can swear. And if we about JPAC is in the Ghana, is in China. Now make commercial back to back. Now cook onye buarishi. And what concerns it Kegina na commercial you went to China to do? What concerns it Kegi? What concerns that Abraham Nambu kept Odo to la Gulage? And I told her, I make about what is my business? When I also got wealth. When I also got China. I'm telling you, I brew my blue passport to one. I get work some time. China can get a blue passport to enter any country that I want. Ghana from China. China can get up and sit here my business. Ghana from China. Are you okay? Oh no, China. No, my business. Why you no China? All those men, they get me na home why you be welcome again. Why didn't we sue why baby welcome again? Why is it that he's only men? That means he went and sacrificed it too. Hanka. That welcome to you na China. No corona China. Guys, I want na China because China. Those men no be taking a hotel. What are they doing with you? Those men in China no get what are they doing with you? Because injury, it just him that say I'm a geek hono. It okay, oh yeah. Tiro, Otila, for here. For Guinea mere. Mwe batara China, ima na ejila amu wa gwogi sensusu na China. Ihe kpọrọ na China ama ha karị. Ị gara China je chọ ọ na gị ka ụmụ nwoke Nigeria na Igbo na ahụ. Na gị ka ha na-enye commercial, na gị ka ha na-enye contract. Kọwara anyị wi afu. Guys, because share this video. Share this video. Follow this page. Share this video. Follow this particular page. Share this video. Because my number, thank you, Justice Bakoko. Thank you for sharing my number. Share this video. People matter them no share ya because share this video. Unu hapu the question unu ganajo. Oshina ya but then you go accept the challenge. Now you came into the challenge because I just wanna tag it. Men just want to like be boji. Peto to like what get potom. Give an ega test now. In fact, I got will overcharge. Extension get to go overcharge. Yapatana Koromi here. Yapatana Korogi, not Koromi him here Bakamoto. The challenge, Brigo. The challenge, Brigo. You must do that. The point what they must question you. People that you tormented their family. People that you harassed. Views because they not ego. Thank God that I don't make no money. People with OGECHI. Have you ever seen any of my page that is monetized? Okay, don't worry. Oh yeah, Otila. What? Have you ever seen any of my page? Have you ever seen any of my page that is monetized? So everything I say it truth. And when he hear it, and I may make undertake. So anybody got big baggy, oh, you're doing this because of money. That person is deceiving his or herself. That is, and when in pages, even I can log in another one, check it from another one. And when pages, this one is equal to be monetized, but I should not go monetize. I say I not go monetize. Facebook will send the channel everything for me. I don't want to. So nobody will come say, okay, go Facebook come now. Go there. JPAC if people make ego with lies. JPAC that carried people and made money with lies. That make ways and Eziokwu because anybody that will come out then I support to JPAC and I say it with my full chest. If you can swear and stand full chest, now get that you know onye na ami ihe na ashi amaromu or anaragi mo na hanagi any poto la gudru muni ana form. This is how you talk. In a bit of JPAC, all these places on our guy, Emma, what sacrifice that guy in make before he went to those things. Any portal language without being biased. With why didn't you guys come out and attack Ezobi? When Ezobi, because OGECHI, now everybody are coming. I'm at the name in the way one man. Children do it again up on Amunaka, children go. Don't get palm kana no mamre. Ask mama to hama buogi. How can somebody know hunga OKEKE remain here? Bia yawure me mande JPAC na na ga ekuo. Yawuru ma orana digi. This idiot drum question now. Where is there? This irita duru. Yawuru ma digo sondora or your boyfriend digi ga ekuo. Did you hear what I said? In your bottom, I maintain it. You kept Ohimo to la Bolaya. Yawurame man, you start listing their names. You start it is Yandani Nabayo Urumap, Undani Nabayo Urumap Nachana. And I say how many ammo they start listing their names. I maintain my stand, you know what I'm tomorrow. The only thing that will end this matter will Yagabia is some woman accept. A summer okay, can you change your beer at the 10 minutes? Ayang, what's the chame? Ayang, Rebenga bound again. Who is this? Ella? Money, no. Yeah. Okay. Okay, oh more, thank you. Okay. I'm on your number. I'm on your me. Yes. Okay. Keep it bottom. Okay. Thank you. Okay, outside bottom. Okay, my brother. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Rita, hold on, can block una chum distraction here. Oh yeah, fuck off. She got for? Oh yeah? She got for, so get out. Jeju me unegi those voice notes. The water go? What is this? Oh yeah, but I here be queen, you may wepu go. May wepu ge. My question wo gini mere JPAC puji pushi exam mo na ya plan ni me. Ihe unu na akwa wote my problem o. I distract am map enyoge. I distract am map enyoge. I'm not here to explain anything. And the way all am kuro wonyo la game agree. You must not agree. You must not agree. Okowadi. No, everybody go follow agree wetin I dey talk. But don't disagree na him the short of it. Don't disagree na him the short of it. Okay? You must not agree. But you cannot force me. Can accept you can push ni him kugawashi. You must not agree or I did not force you to agree. Those who are agreeing on the truth. So go and argue with your ancestors. Go and find out questions you need to know from them. Did you hear what I said? I will maintain my stand till tomorrow, till the next year. Hello? Hello? Yeah, no. Good evening. Happy Sunday, sir. I save him number again now. Hey, Alpha. I came on no life. Okay. Okay. Okay, Asabaka. Tag ya na Asabaka. Asabaka bia. I don't know you welcome in Egypt. You want a lot to say. Asabaka potano now. Anama piano. Anama be ban. Exactly. Okay. Asabaka, go and make food for your husband. This my husband, I know unable to this country. My husband is a military guy. He's not around, but he'll be back soon. And what I go? My husband is not. He does not live by bread, food alone. What I go? He's not people like you. Any name were okay. Asabaka. I know they read them. People just caught my attention because request and join. Actually, he were a lot to tell. Because my message with the people re long. So anybody better hear a big question on my truth. If a big question on my truth, but you want me to believe that you did not agree. Eh? Option 1123. This case, you want me to change the truth. Okay, Mary that test. Okay, John, why OGECHI change Obia? John, why OGECHI change Obia? Asabaka, because can somebody tag Asabaka? Somebody brought to my attention. Look at somebody got an Yam Baba. You went to Yam Baba live show. Yam Baba Jogi, Basara disi fanye oba nek friend dene. This is love ya. This is self ne ba kwa ya carry munye ya loya. Now the day me get a candle night. Gini mere only love more than one ya. You did not go to that candle light. Gini mere that very day Ishina. Ne love yo carry munye ne ba kwa ya carry munye yo. But I don't want to go to negative part of with that thing you said. Let people just go as a hono. People just go as a hono. Only love from mother munye. Okay, that one has a go no you no. All of ya carry munye ya. On a back ya carry munye. O butere ya carry munye ya. Only more mother. Somebody that will be wearing a fempe. JPAC kazi abambe. While ya. Candle night. JPAC did not happy any no name to go and meet candle night. And somebody wants to come and tell me push it. Come and tell me push it. Oh come on, like you people they push it. Gana whoop any no. My question: who can love you like you can? You're money more than me. If anything happened to who is a fool here? Deceive at this time. Who is deceiving each other? I don't want to go to negative part of it. Gain a conscience again and then support again. May you interpret that your video as a second wife as again, you know. As you be your papa or you be your mama. As a second wife, as you wait in the all the would take carry on your way also. I don't go to bread, you know. Because Instead of you to iron and say the truth, OGECHI, what did I do to you? Everything and now happens here. Which one? Or show luralu, or shower luru, or ya with the one. A shower luroya with the one. Mekuna ne kuke we Eziokwu. Mekuna ne kuke we Eziokwu. Mekuna ne kuke we Eziokwu. Una atu gidesilo una ashe. Mekuna ne kuke we Eziokwu. Owu makona na nkuge. Unu choke settle no matter. JPAC ga abotara nna menyi. Ashehum gehi. Ashehum imahe wenyi. Akwi wonya ala Igbo. O ga bia mere my father public apology. O ga bia gwa mu nga nna m noro repu omu. O ga bia gwa mu ebe nna m noro bu omu onu. O ga bia gwa mu all the lies. Pam jiri lock nna m aga. He has to tell me all these things. Tomorrow, una page here now. All the guy get used to here for now. I man here Facebook who got replying on the other videos. Tomorrow, follow this particular page. No grief for anybody this year. Oh, I had this page. Follow this page. Tomorrow, nkita bola. Nkita bo eriri okajinaka. Nkita bo udela. Udela na eri anu onwe ya. Ozu nde nugu pefa juru aju. A man emuru omu the whole world oma ho to mkpuru omu ya. A deportee from Dubai. Onye we ha koru that fake to be this. Look at how you don't cast. You don't cast for Zion. Or she try come Nigeria. Oh, don't worry. You got home there. Don't say try. December 30th, Jerem. Odogu na abata no obodo. If you not see me in Nigeria, make a payment. Down in Nigeria this December, you all I'm gonna get pele. Anything where I tell you, Matana, everything that I'm saying about JPAC, they are all lies. If you don't see me in Nigeria on the 30th of December, Dizenka manam, Madam ka JPAC, mo him ne could always open. Jinka manaziemu, Cherem, you that are looking for me, wait for me. You will see me. But Abakolo somebody home. Abakolo so. Oh, I am on Facebook. Oh, don't do amo. Where kwam gauge where I'm working palie lupaya strong. Where kwam hiji where I'm working palie paya because I got a man on Nigeria now do me vam. Now do you do paka. Okay. I got man on Nigeria now she JPAC ya put a hospital I made that test. JPAC must come out and you made that test in the hospital. So that is exactly what he told me. Ni came polio to Nelu Abulaya. And when witnesses, edge evidence. Edge anime Jenny de Oga Putaka no Niwu. Yawuna na boy ni ke oji gwam na ike polio to la Abulaya. Ke oji gwam na so person mbo lo chokobere nda ya favor. Ya shia poli kelu. Was I there? Was I there? I want a witness. Eh? Was I there? And I said, I got you. Yeah, with evidence. I want a witness. I want people who are aligning with him. We stand by it. Even the person just okay. Her testimony. She am not godi. In fact, Eziokwu bondo. You baramo. Na court eba na shigi, do you have witness? Who was there? Who had it? Ano baba cheneche. Evidence plenty. Find out evidence, but I will not give it to you. Oh, him jadoga. Actually, go make an inch. Kakomana evidence surplus like dead body. Evidence fool. You think I'm playing? You think I'm playing? When I'm dealing with that, I must think I'm playing. Mecha JPAC ife, eh? Mecha everything I'm stating, basarawane, in facts. Ejim Faber, he return evidence. Come on, shut up. Who are you to tell me when to release my evidence? He won't make it. You wouldn't make it. In Ongang, were you on the line? In Manten on a line, I near Oku. People that are ready say, okay, even if ever meet me in a federal high court or everywhere na ECOWAS, they go be there. Georgia, Joy Aduju. Joy Aduju, maybe we show that evidence. But I'm sure Ibo to la Bulaya. Exactly what she told me. And every time with so person, may I give favor. Yana talking about hero to okay, why didn't he cost that person that day? I had to go and bring people to the line. The person that we were able to rescue this upon. Why did you allow me to call the person in Pelo? And some people want me to come and close my. Go and check the broadcast, Omere. The broadcast, Omere and Kayam Baba. On a back one, you are crying more than the belief. You are crying more than the belief. As Onye, as a second wife was again. A second wife was again. A second wife was Onye. Ije back carry only even in 1 year not to go to that thing you put as Onye ke wo. So you let it go penny at down. That's interpret it. For those of you that want to reinterpret the ones I said, or yeah, interpret this one. For those of you, interpret this interview. For those of you, people, the game. Now, interpret this one. Now. For those of you, why are you calling him down now? Why are you now interpret this one? Why did he have to cry more than Donye Wosu? Are you guys ready to interpret it? Are you guys ready to use your carnal mind and interpret it as well? The way you interpreted my own, just to find me guilty. Just to find me fucking guilty. So what you're saying don't make your sense. Are you now ready to also reinterpret the same thing that I said the same way Oji made interview? Have you ever seen onye get bekari onye wosu apa? Bring una knowledge. Those that are speaking out of hate because of OGECHI. It must not be true because OGECHI said it. It mustn't be true. You swear with your useless life. You can leave very soon. You swear with your messed up life. You can leave very soon. Imagine. So you need this word now. You put out with your full chest. Nigga goro a man that is not even steady with his own self. What can I do that can change at any or my OGECHI? Or also. Kena durishi na wopo ihe bara nike. Na come on at the level of yours that one may tola uhogologo. One may togo apurogologo. So you can vow because of one little go. How much is 500,000? How much is 500,000 naira? Kamanu genyegi. You start reasoning like iti wolodo. You start reasoning like impia na bona bale. I just pity you. I just pity you. I told me no that get shigent. That noise get shigent. And they got no get down until the day you went. That noise got ko shigent. Dal. Look at ndo to her. Ndo to le kumini. Ndo to le kumini. Ojo to le mogo. Ojo to la ashi. Thank you, sir. Ndala. Because Oshi OGECHI no. Oshimono. Come and interpret it. Again, that challenge you accepted. That thing you may accept. We finish it together. Guys, share the video, click love and like. They are reporting my video. Alright. Oya. Otilo. Biko, share this video, click love and like. Follow the program. So, bringing video Mbaka mere over a year. Oboroga, je wote nka ha no ya. Wote nka ha ex-convict na ya. Wote nka ha again na ya. Go to she dig, go and dig out those ones. Una name day. You want to go? Don't use Mbaka matter to cover anything. Do not use Mbaka matter. And for those of you that come in, Mbaka Buronya and make a go that side. A lot of my followers like Mbaka. Because if you guys want me to go to the negative side, no chalk am daba side, the man chalk daba. Una go feel and woto. Ana ige lecha onya gozira go shine ebron. Nobody cause ya get ready now. So okay, the one who carry the first room on Pambromo no work. The now with people na they call, so make you call help on no work. Now them back on go work. Them back on. I respect them back when but you guys bringing in here. Now, rubbish. The video almost a year. Nobody is talking about Mbaka. Nobody brought Mbaka case. No, go through on that comment section. Then in a position of their jail people. Oh no, Bariga Mbaka. Now, on a just they insult the man. If the comment section again about the step you took or the okay or the okay. Go to the comments. Only which is Akunu na go to that useless minus 0. You on a chop when you get click ya you go eri. That hungry blogger. That is your to blogger they use one and I make contact. That hopeless man and top 0 minus useless O. Jele, join the comment section. Get upon the lost and confused son. Get JPAC on your bending collect burike. Go and read by yourself. That go no matters here. Whether the step you took is favoring you or is even backfiring all of you. You see, you guys have brought ridiculousness to a man I did not even bring in this saga. A man that is not a look at what people are just now remind dear which is uncalled for. I didn't bargain for it. You guys JPAC, I will be hold on. You want to bring him back a matter? You want to bring him back a matter? Now let us go there. What I go? I say I can't know with the KJ so ya. Are you the talker? I gave every soul with the KJ so ya. Yeah, best here from. A very confused, useless man, a deporter from OGECHI. Idiot to get open doors, so gonna fabric. Your own is tomorrow. I'm coming for you tomorrow. I'm coming for you tomorrow. Cool down. I got me beggy. I will circumcise you tomorrow. Eji may be in a back on a voice note. Please, book. You idiots. When you want already. Iban in on email. Iban in on emails. In on emails already. Get out your nigga. You that is already one. Leno. Onu shion chocha tamocha OGECHI. Why won't he see Amu and bend and collect? And when he call them mado call. And when he call Ipukata A, Gaga Fepue B, Kota Kuesi. And when he call them mado corner, Yabafen and Kendibia. Yabafen and Kedo. Yabafe, Ebon in Aracha. Unstable idiots. A man that has no dignity whatsoever. A man ain't anything to write home about. Ebon just name. Claim out. Gage. Every week, you are not a man. So, Keka would them matter somebody get you a vow, Lola. Then when you're a nick. ka mmadụ ga-eji pụta with full chest gị gana agọtara onye no onye ra ya n'ike. You just dey curse your useless self. Hold on. Oya, Otila. You want to do? And the bias convince.
Whatever you see on social media is not the way it is. When you see that person physically, you know whether people are age or I went there to survey, to Nene, Kandocha, Kamana, in the Ipara, after Sabian or real. But I don't remember from the church. So you would have 3 billion that church said. Anybody working there, they are working truly, wholeheartedly. And young man that is like he is building the economy of Lagos State. That is high time he move all these things and even out to Southeast. Immediately they made the pronunciation, they made the announcement that they move all this program to Southeast. That was when it will have to highest money because NIPA will build the Lagos State government. First time I'm more of a vehicle, the revenue and the allocation and whatever, all the much, also the way that are Igbo, Adi Enugu, Anambra, or Imo State.
Now, Kai Gerezie video made today. Emana. It's always your works against your works. Hold on, let me block this thing. Oh yeah, Otilo. It's always your works against your own works. You can never be steady in life. You always use your own word to hang yourself. That is how it is. Oh yeah. It's always your works against your works. And you go create account tire. Upon we blocking, very easy. I go they block you. Account to tire. You want to go? Now me go they block tire. I know you go create account to tire. So it's always your own works against yourself. Kamadu geji lecha character like you. Believe, whoa. Believe, whoa. Anything that will come out of you, say, Naega ngunugi. They not hear me anything. Wait, make we go to the video you made, Nanke, Yamba.
I urge my for my son where acquired the property. Some of the property where I saw and got acquired before I know be wine can now. There's a baby on a chamoko. No wine, was a good case I know why. But I'm looking one look at one key. When you came out of our way or Tabahara because of getting ABI goods or the monetary. I paid you salary every month 100,000 without working.
Just for being your girlfriend.
Just to be my fiancé. When you can know, only you can be a patch of no and I would you. The person Jeresin Jeba, one of my ex-girlfriend, when there's a rook, and sorry, now Jesse and Naravian, why this and that. In Morojo was just now could never with the girl. Okoyenka be near him. Now, Pasala never could never with the girl. Hana Roma or Kanarumunji. Amaron no mona, yem repair, man a family.
The relationship on getting a fan over. And then, if I man Kedu Kisue, Kedukusue, Metotage, as somebody that you are a beneficiary of this magnanimous man,
When you pay him, carry it to say pain on yourself. As I can say that now, his death pains me more than it was a pain on the bear.
On a pen, Mokaya Koshe pen in Munya. OGECHI will always be vindicated. The people, the Ghana make him vindicate. Just a matter of time. Ghana make him vindicate. It's just a matter of time, mom. That is it. Do you want me to say the negative part of the works that came out of his mouth? No. You be the one to also use your own imagination. The same way you do it. You want to go? The same way you see, get him in a map on dead in the wire on in the one. The same way and put your negative thoughts together and come and interpret this. I will not go further. I will not go further. You want to go? Now, I beg you in a program. Email today. Gente. Gente, can I get you?
Hey, what I see you. Kula pitas. Unka ni kula pitas.
We are waiting for you.
Oh, okay. Come try later. It's another one. What they call this one? Okay, this one.
I hope you are hearing me and you are watching me. You know, probably you sign on with a plot of land, you know, but I'm gonna send out Pasaba. Because the Lord was here.
We did already.
They got him 10 minutes. I'm caught for live video. If you are in China, Kulele Bitas, they enter China. I beg you, call him out. Call him out from who? Call him.
This other corner, this long one. Sure. Chere, no, this one.
Is here. Thank you very much. How about a Southeast blogger, Southeast content creator? But you don't go work. How man I had to go there reinforce war? Well, I should have dealt with unity and love.
You know, man, now how go got reinforce war. But I told you guys that these people in a meeting, they cannot say the truth. They will always gather to say, none of them are speaking the truth. They have gathered to reinforce themselves. So, again, less man in a fake peace. Just to come, defend ya, that was why you reinforce war. Really? Your words is always against your own words. That's naked until
yeah, with one name and one name.
Akoko.
You know, so when you come out of the house of the publicly, that you're your see, I became when you were. Now I was misled, you know. When you offend person, try and apologize. But a lot of people find it difficult to say SORRY. That is sorry. You know, and they meant to album boss, album God, I cannot say sorry. Come on, make a woman. And many women that he come and make a woman, most of them now, are kidding.
Oh, go to castle white here. Despite being charged by Ababata, go and ask the sign of what is happening to you. Eba Hasunga Shina Dokoge Joe the sign. Yarum is on Wegendo. In a wish other people on Wimash, you're already a dead corpse walking. What I go? Go and what is really your problem? Joe people, why as white you came, you see why I had issues with you. You keep lying to people, not because him an apology. No him an age to because Ziggy Zaga, in when he can repost to that video up that day be back war. Ne queen directly G force who open. Now the reason why OG not with me because I'm near over how many millions of naira. Because when he can repost to that video because I'm a G about program again. You know, you see this guy. Believe him on your own detriment. Onya, abo. Please listen. Emega jagwa share. Emega jagwa zigizaga. I repost to that video. Opotara. Na shwa kuhunja support gamo. You left. Nobody give a fuck because you came to ask for money. You did not get the each. We don't even care whether you went and meant peace with the Obodoless man. Or you did not make peace with anybody. But you went because you did not get the money you're looking for. You switched 360. Every day, Potara. Get 100 days in Meregi. Get one MH fasting. In the 100 days, Abaga weekend, Babu. You keep lying and lying and lying and lying. Every day you make up another story. One night you make up new. Thursday you make. Nobody ever in this life question your peace. The first time you told Ako to leave OGECHI. That if you guys want to be with Ako, get an ex-convict. Ako should how am I gonna leave OGE? The same idiot to one cash shower. Get an acquisition on a London and a Ugo baby. Ugo baby had to call it. Do you know that? Ugo baby, eh? You see, my spirit never deceive me. My spirit never deceive. Because the man no information now. I never knew you called Ako to stay away from me. You that is a betrayer. You that betrayed Keza Okurora. You that ran into people that want to destroy your Okurora, knowing the truth you cap. You a devil. That is why, you know these people that pretend to do like this, stay away from him. And this idiot who had to call Ephraim Anonye, put you in a line, shark. That is you. This one Oje convince Yako. Remind the Marco, Ndai Matara na Facebook. While I'm Matara give from so place, he's been a one. Jumona goes okay, any position I am just a true friend that always fight and finish. They joke about me. I never betrayed anybody. I am a friend. Even Anna Bogo dig outside, I will defend you. Go and ask my history. You claim to be a friend, but you dine on wine with enemies here. You dine on wine with enemies here. You gave J-Pipe 500K for a wedding here, right? Did you? Did not. Eririm Jiggy. And are you more decent than me? You that will give Gishin Nigeria welcome and on a room genage. Do you want me to start telling you your fucked up life story? You that invite different men into your household. Digiga one akonage on a room genage. Do you want me to start telling people the story of people visiting your house in London? It can be your story. Go and keep on living in a dead marriage. And he live here. No, we go. Stay away from me. Stay clear. Oh, so Ija nka diniregi. Yana ex-convict megala you no work for them. Ye dinye kuogi. I don't betray. Mpuruge na so kama okugiru na ala. Muna ga nwa na de 10 na emege. Other possible. That fault I can never judge you in public. That is why I'm gonna get the number any day. If you betray one judge I'm in public, that ends it all. I may not come to fight you just to remain the old time's sake. I will stay clear. 1 million miles away from you. Because him again give me I can't take it. I'm gonna give when it would low high, but to trusting you again, that won't be more. You a dangerous species. Okay, je mega procast. Gebru Desi Empire. Idiot a threat na maka ege shiba Desi. Potano bi aba Desi war. Desi don't post you. Try and come out. Bi aba ya war. J-Pipe na Ashawa Loro was discussing a different topic up together. Gebru Ashrege. Like a one woman. By then people lose or why onye poro ya ha. Ya potazi life program. Gejin directly kuya. Then actually there is no need to hide no Daisy. No. Why can't you all I'm touch up Daisy? Because someone that Daisy is a weaker vessel. Daisy don't like Daisy cannot talk much. Daisy is a low key person. Oh, who wanna Daisy is reassure you make traditional wedding. Idiota, agopagina no Daisy ego Daisy ego. That sure about traditional wedding. Now Daisy buy and give am oh. Now Daisy buy give this idiot to that shoe. You know go talk those ones. Dano you no go talk those ones. You know go talk them. Oh! That's traditional wedding no many. Odiko nya kuro phone issue ho. Akwa Daisy zoria shoe ho. Ndala. Abi threaten and yano. Okay, oku now because this enwezi onu. But if anybody else can talk. Because this animal go now, when you guys start showing people weak points, you know. Ibolani yana ina la chok saga na to go job. Ta bute the fucking saga or say so. Put your say so let's put all on one. I am je wrong culture because I like ikunu megiden. And when I say that come nigga, bom na man on adi. Ga bom no get you no get for the no get kiki, no get pikini, no go children. Kini also ke ga come town. That just make up stories and talk rubbish. Kini ke ga come. Eh? Oh, this is that is why even if I not the news, I can the face my enemies. Until this idiot they buru my father, nobody would have known that I lost my father. Because will be a jaloko. And they wouldn't again have to face your enemy. Oh, your mind is to defeat them. It doesn't matter who fall apart. Destroy those people. Whatever you will do it. I will be ok. If you don't have the mind, stay clear. Come and see my weak point. Let me see. And when anything you get with them, that is why Never show this person saying here we hear anything sobu. You go? The reason I go the mage get here na ga because you cannot let your enemy see your weak points. Prince, what I go? Ana koyeri. There about Daisy out of the war. Come and go that Daisy. What I go? Anaka. Ajikara gacha. China no nyana so China. Ichukurana that man potarane. That man that young lady potarane. No young Azuria. You may go land that kind of shoe in Europe. That's your Obagame traditional wedding. Daisy bought it plus ego Daisy in here. He did not talk those ones, so he did not talk those ones. Look at Koshi Brude's Ghana broadcast. Every time this man will never accept no when he home read the wrong. Everybody will chat problem what you remain mistake. A man that cannot own up. Fine, I did. If you come out and apologize to Bobodoles man, say I fucked up, I messed up, it will not happen again. Let us forge ahead. If I come for you, make I don't see tomorrow. But before you start rendering apology, why would you use an energy solo? Nani Shizi, the Bible here, listen to this buffoon. Listen to this buffoon. This aton. Get me about here for.
For the how accident, for the how to DP, for the how many things. It was that very mood, that very day, you may apologize. Bah! Told you what the thing why I say, Kim! Ha! JPAC, betray guy, JPAC has betrayed us.
Wait! You made apology video after Obodoles man came to your wedding. When did you left us? You know you contradict yourself with lies. Since you left us. Which no be problem should be done. Can be she poor in a problem now. It's no kuma be fire. Is it not why when people start finding out that when again we will a problem? I would as soon as you're leaving, leave Zion alone. Because I know mangahu ye me. You want to go? We put an anka about before your wedding. Did you get it or you didn't get it? You enter inside the copa because it's your wedding. So before then, I will collect woto. You kept quiet, man, hapoge. Right? You kept quiet, man. But anything to anyhow, man, paper for you. So, Kezi Moji, who after your apology, the problem, Jibido. You see how you lied and keep lying to yourself. Kezi Moji, what apology came yesterday, why the problem, you see how when you lie, you paint yourself so useless. Mistakenly mentioned that Kozayo mentioned Zolo Bitters. Get deleted the video, but people would go the wise are capture go here. You see how you lie? Let me tell you, everybody they make mistake, but they J-Pipe. Because of money you came, Aku was feeding you, paying your house rent. It's your computer list. Do you want me to start showing list? I still get it. Measure my payment, measure go. I can still show you to. How did the apology you rendered after your wedding were a problem? You came out rendering an apology and you started laying blame on us. Nantoka you surugi. How? You came because you need money. You started giving information in 1 year joroge. Everybody you listed, war. All these things people let me tell you, there's some people I will not reply. Until when I'm done with you. But then for now, any distraction you get put that will distract me. Never. I no go leave you until get could be. Lie. And balapoge.
How can JPAC come on live video? Now you know Bodo. How can JPAC come on live video? Now you know Bodo.
If I go Shatogashi here. If I go Shatogashi here. And what when you chatter here? And what when you contact? Oh, Hapolani long block everybody. Every block that block where. Since he left, he blocked everybody. Everybody block where. So Kezi Mba Oji Mecha Wetenario. Look at how this man can lie. Can lie.
Yeah, sorry. Hey, this guy don't get integrity. I don't get integrity. The image of Madi, you are integrity. The same thing applicable on Bembia and Apaka, you know, they can let they influence you. They won't write up against Masafara and Baka. People, you know, I deleted it. May open apology, which is still on my page till date.
Cambridge, my apology to Mbaka. Ombe Hapurani, Gachawa to reconcile with everybody again about our work. Ombe no with us. Cambridge realize that him and Mbaka de Mba. JPAC, when did you realize? When did you jump Mbaka? Ombe says, oh, Nanda cho hinye mego, nakam switch ye. Kibito kowinyo. Cambridge realize yeah. When did you realize it, JPAC? Oh God.
May open apology to Mbaka. That apology for 2 days.
Liar.
Saga Bambo and a frame saga. A frame wolf in a cable man. Can we make away haters? It's a lie. People know but hate me. Because in the Nabaramo, the organically, not paid people, organically.
And when you're Nabaragok, nobody there is saga for you. You are just paying, wasting your money. Swear with your life that Ndana Pota, they are even doing it with themselves. I question no gaga reunion. Is it not what you said? Oh, but the last man can also still come out. He can still come out. Brainwash you. Because that is you. Ibola Ezu go the other day, that one no enter. Ibola Ijuwa, you know enter. Now Ibola brainwash wakana. You see what he say they're coming. You need every help. Mandi put information here. Go try and walk it dinner. He didn't mention the same person you are bringing information telling us that God you the only child. Kamaya jiri happy obara kuna lola di atupu ya na di. Because of boom, who asks you? Yaki mention on channel this video. Nah he has apologized. You do the same and stop defending the fact you don't know how it's started. Who is this one? Who is this one? Come on, call it.
So which means I want to do.
No, they make it petty. Anybody talking in the only ego. And when you a reasonable blogger will come and be talking rubbish. Nothing. Nobody there. Oh, because no union. No union. I know what is union. Union don't go against each other. Oh no, union, and they have collected their own share. You see what you told them? What I go? So they collected their share. How many people have you promised? How many people are you giving? No, but it was the matter here now. 70% she wamagia. If they pay like 500,000, she may pay here. People okay, but nobody gets it. People are joyful. They are ready for me to send you to your early grave. That they ready. They are pure ready. In a 500,000. They want to waste you because you have touched people. You may go people and they have an walk. Everything you could get is they look at it. It's a mission and a suspension. I think we're gonna Zion grant. A nota or Zion. Nota. A better dinner. This payment. A Upon suspension, you will keep lying with your deceitful information, with your demonic acts. You just made up story. I come on a east now, know that you're when you're suspended. Keep lying and lying. I wish not 3 months. Or the 3 months or Ruby. I want to lie back. Oh, after suspension, they don't know. Oh my God. You see these people? Only one they make it, only you already blew up and make it, who can say anything. OMG, I'm like a Nigeria, they're very important. We have to bring many things to justice. Many things in the dream bring it to book. And I call you. Don't listen to the animal gone because whom your wife ain't want to call.
When I say JPAC, they are clear air. That air pitch make a one now because the chicken go clearing of any air.
Oh, it just a go clear of air. It's going to leak go. You must. It's a must. Can somebody say it's a must? You're no longer clearing air. It's a must. Oh no, far. I got my baggy yako bo. I got my baggy keki ko bo. I got my baggy yako bo. And when one idiot, one atono we blog out on Jimmy Bido ya. One atono she. NJAKA, I should get Papa. She all the men in our family, ya. All my men in our family did not take JPAC and Anna Oyanike. So there is no need for your video. All the men, none of my family did not call JPAC. She told me, you see? They don't have business with that. All the men in my family never said, I am coming, I have accepted the challenge. In a query, you cannot use me to I can make, but in your game and all, give what unsuke wo. You a fool. You can't even control money. Don't know I won't go de come. You are even because you keep mentioning my name. I will block you from today for tagging my page. It was because I cannot waste my precious time watching a dead idiot like you that don't have nothing to contribute. Everybody want to tag my page. Can ne bold soon a woku. Can ne ba an idiot to and come Uramona on a woku. When put the proper gone. No, no, can't get papa and the age maggie. Oh, soon. I'm a kid, one later adult. You failed. Jebido mena la Bamandoka church, Bamandoka war. Oh, Gabido. Indeed, tea begay follow weggy. Come on, go and look for a job and stop you wasting your data. Come on, for me. Well, I'm not JPAC and help on a beat the page, maybe. Or take Boga, Ihapogaya, not Susu. Okay, help you build your page. Okay, help you build your page. Oh, soon. Come and go and look for a job. Get all bend the brush and make you know. Dala, na coily. Come on, get out. Idiots. And when any of my family member or JPAC and a phone share that say he can bend them all road to that day. Oh, so keep open him and you can I say, a man, in a empire prophet. Come on, get out! In a quick man? Do you talk like a man? What is the pattern? On empire professor, no agent school, Jeku. Ewu. Each of the came intimidate, can mention on. But then I'll be, she's irresponsible, she's not there, she's there. Hey. Uncle that shower JPAC, hello. Ne puru even, okay, Uncle John, you should get that the motor process in my mission.
And they clear them pag air, and they clear them mag air, and they clear up among pag air, or can they clear air? So why do we keep on moving to Buna? And then I want to go carry organically. So can they come mad as
JPAC, you a liar. And one you bagara go. And when he keep up quiet, Atuzila she, Kehin sono, and one you na barage nothing. And when you bagara go, get walla she. On a la balago, on a la balago, on a poenike. Because all we knew to get a ponique when they got baragog. Oh, we put the lost son in your ego. Get on an anaku. Dinner can on an anaku. Why would the reasonable man put a war in Mehuya? Oh, yeah, no, dear. Onyaho not there, if I may ask you, that person not there. And I call you.
More than 300 people now.
Eh? More than 300 people. Wait, oh. Mbe other people. Now bag a war. In a when they why do you respond to them? You see this man. Mbe other people they defend again. Don't you tackle cases say broge bubo? Okay, this is broge bubo. Why don't you tackle it? Then dog. They against you can then because always go in your hand. And we anybody na baragog. Anyway, I don't see anybody because you have taken the challenge. Not the shy away from Otulagage test. Each addition bar. Don't get in a question. Now test time and I want you shadow yamma. That she have taken the test. Because all begin it all the challenge, mammy lazo. You want to go? It all the challenge now, mammy lazo. Oh, you must come. Somebody say it's a must. It's a must. Also. Imagine. Imagine. Imagine.
So I have to keep calm.
Imagine.
That day, but block or WhatsApp for 2 days now. But JPAC, you want integrity? Why isn't a brave man?
Hey, she naked.
Why is he because you could watch about somebody, but I chop that you publicly. How we finish him the group?
Which group? Because which group?
Why do you remember?
JPAC, because we put the group, I know. We put the group, I know. I thought we put that group. I put evidence. We put. Am I not showing the ones we have with you? You get we put here. Oh God, oh God. I got continue on here, Echi. Biano nketa bola na JPAC. Echi kamono no get put the guys. No, go gagala. See you guys. Bye. Nga wonu me. No sir, I don't tell you. Ugwo iji nde mmadu wo. Bia gwa people. Mana akpogi n'ike. Mana ha akpogi n'ike. Anyo nwere agreement. Ko anye nwe ha agreement. And I don't know why you are shying away from the real reality. You are shying away from the reality. You and I were in a conversation. When you called me arrest, what did you tell me? You told me a so person. Why you don't want to call the person? Share why? Is it not the person that is Jebono? This mbamba ni kempo tula bulage. Na kempo tula bulage. Na wumbola madure ndragi favor. Yasigi ohubo tula. Ke collect ya. Guys, share on this page. I back mount. We don't mount. We don't mount. We don't mount. Follow the page, share the page. This him nam ikem ohuro tula bulage. Masi shigini yase ona mama buhu. Ona mama buhu. Don't you name me? No, just no. That was the